Hello guys, welcome to our video. Today we have a simple dish and also it's like a simple mukbang. We have crunchy appadam. It is a pappadam they used to tell in another name, and this is for the rice. And one more dish we have, that is sambar, that is vegetable spicy sambar. It's an Indian dish for the rice. And another dish is like adobo, that is Kangkong Adobo. Kangkong is like a spinach morning glory adobo with soy for the rice. And one more dish, that is the last one, we have Bisugo fish fry. It's same like a red snapper fish fry for the rice. Thank you for watching our video guys. We'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye.